Órale, carnales. You gotta have a lot of patience for this shit.
Yeah. And a lot of light I need. Those lights are kind of blinding.
I know.
Blinding.
This is how you do it, S.A.
Like a George Lopez show.
Yeah.
He's got some new show there. Yeah, bro.
Take a little trip.
Hey, don't step on that shit,
I'm not. My bad. Take a little.
Stepped on it. My phone too, man. You killed my phone.
Hold up. My bad, dog. I'm videotaping here, dog, man.
Man, that's everything that happens when you're doing this stuff.
For sure.
Life goes on, man.
Life goes on, baby. Okay.
What are you going to do?
It's Big 1059, South Florida's classic rock. Paul and Young Ron.
We have some incredible video of Will Schreiner going up in a Thunderbird.
No. Blue Angel.
Blue Angel
Thunderbirds are here.
You only see this once in a lifetime.
This was a few years
Did
ago.
you pass out and throw
I
up?
did not pass out. I did not throw up.
You look like you're enjoying it. I'm watching the video right now.
I said my ride with Blue Angels was better than sex because there was no vomiting involved.
Paul and Young Ron.
Gotta be right smack on the edge of the thing. And this is not.
Jimmy, you got this!
You do know they're just warming up, right?
I do. Because she was always your biggest cheerleader.
Hey.
Massage Envy wants to help you thank Mom this Mother's Day. Right now, buy a $125 gift card for 2 free upgrades. Because everything on television video.
Lots and lots of patience, people.
Sunlight needs a spanking. Little Fingers open daily from noon till 4 a.m. at 3801 North University Drive in Sunrise. For more than info, go to
Is that long enough for that one?
How would you like to learn fashion prices?
Ooh.
Just download
Nah,
the
whatever.
app.
You're not.
You can go watch a video.
Good guy.
Free loans, prices using Perk Scratch and Win. Grab Perk apps in the App Store or Google Play Store. Perk, the apps that pay you back. Download Perk today.
Well, the commercials in the background don't sound that good,
The
man.
worst of life's
Oh, wow.
No,
They show
come
up
back
out
down
of
here.
nowhere to just sit there. They don't talk. They just stare at you all awkward and orange.
Dang,
Luckily, there's
man.
AutoZone. And our
We'll be
friends
back in 5
helps
minutes.
you troubleshoot the problem. So whether it's something serious or just a loose gas cap, you can find your way out of life's uncomfortable situation for free. With our help, you can always fix your car with confidence. What's up, America? See store for restrictions and details.
Hi, I'm Carl Dyke.